In this video, we are going to show you how to get $10 off on your next Boderry purchase. Now, Boderry.com is the official e-commerce website for Boderry, who focuses on designing, assembling, and selling affordable mechanical and automatic watches directly to the consumers. Now, when you click on the link we have provided in the description below, it's going to bring you to this page right here. And all you need to do is scroll down and browse which mechanical watch you want to buy. Now, for example, I want to buy the Landmaster GMT Titanium Automatic Tritium Field Watch Ice Blue bracelet. Looks really cool, right? So as you can see, it sells out a lot. So it's $4.99. All you need to do, just like any other purchase online, click add to cart, right? And this slide will appear. Click checkout. There we go. And the good thing about Boderry is that you don't need to scroll down, because a lot of times websites, you need to scroll down to just input your discount code. Boderry, it's literally in front of you over here on your right hand side. And all we need to do is paste coupon ZAA and click apply. And as you can see, we already have $10 off on our purchase. From $4.99, it's $4.89, and total savings of $10. Pretty much it. That's the video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you at the next video.